Hello everybody, welcome to Expat Finance. My name is Jimmy and I'm here to teach expats how to save, budget their expenses and invest their saved money to achieve their dreams and goals. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the basics of financial planning. Before we get into that, I recommend those of you watching this video for the very first time, do hit that like button, subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can stay updated of our latest videos. The basics of financial planning, how to manage your money, the 50-30-20 rule. What is the 50-30-20 rule? Let me basically put it this way. In order to achieve your dreams and goals, you need to have financial discipline and it has to be planned in a holistic way. Let me just draw a small pie chart and try to explain better. Let's look at your entire income expenditure, which is a pie chart you can call it. Excuse my handwriting, it's not that good. Well, this is the income expenditure chart. Out of this, 50% can be your needs. Now, when I say needs is basically anything that if it's cut off, causes you discomfort. It could be like paying your rent, utility bill payments, if you have kids, your school payment fees, transportation fees, COVID times, so no transport. Well, things like that. So these are your basic essentials, right? Next, we come in to the remaining 30%, which is the wants. All of us are social animals, right? So we would like to definitely go for a movie sometime or do some shopping or, probably go for some fishing or, any of those expenses. These are wants. These are basically things that gives you instant gratification, right? You had a long day at work, you want to go grab a beer or you want to go drinking or you want to go for the movies, things like that. So all this comes under the 30% category. Now, this 30% category is something which needs to be restricted to 30% because unless you do this, you're not going to make it to the next level. Many times what happens is we actually exceed the want section from 30% and make it completely 100%, which takes off the entire salary. Coming to the last very section, which is the 20% savings. %20 of your income has to be moved aside for savings, come what may, month on month. Now, this 20% savings should not be just kept in your bank account. It should be used to pay off high interest liable debt, or you can invest that money, but ensure that 20% of your income goes towards that. By this way, you'll be able to create a financial discipline. Now, it's up to you guys how you want to play around with the numbers on this topic. You can, in this pandemic days, people even, because of the want section decreasing because of lack of options, like maybe you can't go out for movies, maybe the malls are closed and things like that, you may be able to decrease this want section and you can actually increase the savings portion of your income expenditure. And you're totally free to do that. This is what entire financial planning talks about. The 50-30-20 rule. If I were you, I would start with moving aside 20% saving aside first and then living with the rest so that you ensure that you hit the 20% investment or savings plan month on month. If you did like this video, do hit like, subscribe and hit that bell notification. Cheers.